All right, now I'm gonna create another slide. This time I really want to play around with the elements. For example, I'm gonna bring a circle. And let's add a frame. Maybe something like this. And the background, I could keep the paper here. There we go. Gonna insert a photo of a farmer. Okay. That's better. And this one, maybe make it the green. Here I can add something for text. So back to elements. And I'm just gonna use the text that I usually save. So this one, ungroup. Okay. And then maybe I could add, so let's try to, I'm just going to copy one of the texts here because you could, of course, add your company's text. I'm just going to use something random. And maybe this could be that yellow, or add a little lift, shadow. Just experiment with the font, see which one you like more. And maybe I could bring that little arrow that I saved from earlier on here. Rotate it. Could be leading this way, or let me just flip it. There we go. So it could be something like this. And I do want to add some sort of a roadmap. I'm also going to add this paper background. Here. So I like to go over the whole thing again. And with this, I'm noticing that I'm going to turn it a little brighter. It's too dark. All right. Okay. I think I'm going to add the paper background again here, but I'm also going to cover it with a green filter almost. So same technique. I'm going to send it back. So this green is a little too dark. It's a little better. There we go. And this one, I'm just gonna change the font. Oops. Okay. Of course, I can add as much or as little text as I want. So also I'm going to flip these two. So I'm going to switch the places because this one, my chart is on the right and so is this one. So I'm just going to move, make this smaller. There we go. Okay. Just going to make 2 of this so I can see if I left enough space. All right. So I can come here, maybe see if I can use this anywhere. Send it back. Maybe I can make this the yellow. That could work. And now I want to also add a roadmap feature. I want to add a roadmap feature. So I'm just going to come to templates, search roadmap. Gonna go through these to find the one that I like. Okay, this one could work. Let's keep searching. I'm gonna add this for later, meet the team or how to contact the team. Okay, I really like this one. I'm gonna bring this here. And I'm thinking instead of this, they're both flat colors. I want one of them to be a picture of some sort. So I might change this, maybe give it a border of an image. So I'm gonna come back here. Let's see what I've starred. This picture is quite nice. Send it back. And then over that, I'm gonna also make this a little smaller. I'm gonna bring a square so we can see the detail much better. Gotta send it. All right, there we go. And now I could switch the numbers with illustrations and icons. So I do want to try to do that. I'm just going to push this down. And I'm going to change the circles with one of these paint strokes that I have. So circle, but a thinner one. So these, for example. Insert one of these. Oops. This is grouped together, ungroup it. So this is an image, which means I can't change the color. So that's a little inconvenient for me. See, I have to pick one where I could change the color. All of these have a stable color. Maybe this one. Nope, this is very different. I could also use one of like a full circle. So I think I'll just go with that. Size it accordingly. Let's see, I kind of like the border. So I'm not sure if I want to keep it. Let's do a little comparison. All right, I'm gonna keep the border. So ungroup this, select the border, and bring one for this as well. Okay, now I can just select the same, do the same for all the other ones. Make sure to send them backwards. All right. Now let's go and look at icons that I would like to use. So I'm probably going to maybe name this the progress, and this would be more of like a growth. So I'm going to remove this, ungroup them, then remove here. Call this the growth chart. And then maybe the other one can be more of a progress chart, what we've done so far. So in fact, I'm going to keep both. And now let's go. All right, so I'm going to keep both, and then we'll continue